Escape to paradise with our guide to the top 10 luxury destinations for summer. From the pristine beaches of the Maldives to the rugged coastlines of Santorini, these exquisite destinations promise an unforgettable getaway. Indulge in lavish accommodations, world-class dining, and unparalleled service as you soak up the sun in style. Whether you're seeking adventure in the Swiss Alps or relaxation in the Caribbean, these exclusive retreats offer the ultimate in luxury and sophistication. Join us as we explore the most coveted destinations for a summer escape like no other. Today we will talk about top 10 luxury destinations for summer. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. Summer is a time for indulgence, relaxation, and exploration. And what better way to experience it than by immersing yourself in the lap of luxury? From pristine beaches and exotic islands to glamorous cities and tranquil retreats, the world is filled with exquisite destinations that offer unparalleled luxury experiences. In this guide, we will explore the top 10 luxury destinations for summer, highlighting their unique charms, luxurious accommodations, and unforgettable experiences that promise to elevate your summer vacation to new heights of opulence and relaxation. 1. Santorini, Greece. Santorini is a picture-perfect destination known for its breathtaking sunsets, whitewashed buildings, and crystal-clear waters. This stunning Greek island offers luxury travelers a plethora of upscale accommodations, from cliffside villas with private infinity pools to boutique hotels overlooking the Aegean Sea. Visitors can spend their days lounging on black sand beaches, exploring ancient ruins, and dining at world-class restaurants serving fresh Mediterranean cuisine. 2. Maldives. The Maldives is synonymous with luxury, boasting some of the most exclusive and luxurious resorts in the world. This tropical paradise is comprised of over 1,000 coral islands, each offering pristine beaches, crystal-clear lagoons, and unparalleled natural beauty. Luxury travelers can indulge in overwater villas with private pools, underwater dining experiences, and indulgent spa treatments. Snorkeling, diving, and sunset cruises are just a few of the activities available to guests seeking adventure in this idyllic destination. 3. Amalfi Coast, Italy. The Amalfi Coast is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its dramatic cliffs, colorful villages, and Mediterranean charm. Luxury travelers flock to this stunning stretch of coastline to stay in luxurious cliffside hotels, dine at Michelin-starred restaurants, and explore charming seaside towns like Positano, Amalfi, and Ravello. Visitors can spend their days sailing along the coast, visiting historic landmarks, and soaking up the sun on secluded beaches. 4. French Riviera, France. The French Riviera, also known as the Côte d'Azur, is a playground for the rich and famous, offering glamorous beaches, chic resorts, and vibrant nightlife. Luxury travelers can explore the fashionable cities of Nice, Cannes, and Saint-Tropez, where they can indulge in luxury shopping, dine at world-renowned restaurants, and party at exclusive beach clubs. Visitors can also explore charming hilltop villages, visit historic landmarks, and enjoy scenic drives along the coastline. 5. Bora Bora, French Polynesia. Bora Bora is a tropical paradise known for its turquoise lagoons, lush mountains, and overwater bungalows. Luxury travelers can escape to this remote island paradise and stay in luxurious overwater villas with private decks, plunge pools, and panoramic views of the surrounding lagoon. Activities in Bora Bora range from snorkeling and diving in vibrant coral gardens to hiking to scenic viewpoints and enjoying romantic sunset cruises. 6. Maui, Hawaii, USA. Maui is a dream destination for luxury travelers seeking a perfect blend of natural beauty and upscale amenities. This Hawaiian island boasts pristine beaches, lush rainforests, and stunning volcanic landscapes. Luxury travelers can stay at upscale resorts with private villas, infinity pools, and world-class dining options. Visitors can explore the island's natural wonders, from hiking through bamboo forests to snorkeling in crystal-clear waters teeming with marine life. 7. Aspen, Colorado, USA. Aspen is a luxurious mountain resort town nestled in the Rocky Mountains of Colorado, known for its world-class skiing, upscale dining, and vibrant cultural scene. Luxury travelers flock to Aspen year-round to stay in luxurious chalets, dine at award-winning restaurants, and shop at designer boutiques. In the summer, visitors can enjoy outdoor activities such as hiking, mountain biking, fly fishing, and horseback riding against the backdrop of stunning mountain scenery. 8. Seychelles. The Seychelles is an archipelago of 115 islands in the Indian Ocean known for its pristine beaches, lush jungles, and vibrant coral reefs. Luxury travelers can escape to this secluded paradise and stay in exclusive beachfront resorts, private island retreats, or luxurious villas surrounded by tropical gardens. 9. Street Barts. Street Barts is a chic Caribbean island known for its glamorous beaches, upscale resorts, and vibrant nightlife. Luxury travelers can relax on pristine white sand beaches, dine at world-class restaurants, and shop at designer boutiques. 10. Ibiza, Spain. Ibiza is a legendary party island in the Mediterranean, known for its vibrant nightlife, stunning beaches, and bohemian chic vibe. Luxury travelers can stay in exclusive beachfront villas, boutique hotels, or upscale resorts overlooking the sea. During the day, visitors can relax on secluded beaches, explore charming villages, or indulge in spa treatments and wellness retreats. These top 10 luxury destinations for summer offer discerning travelers the ultimate in opulence, relaxation, and adventure. From exotic islands and glamorous cities to remote mountain retreats and secluded beachfront villas, these destinations promise unforgettable experiences and unparalleled luxury. Whether you're seeking sun-drenched beaches, lush tropical jungles, or vibrant cultural experiences, these luxury destinations have something for every luxury traveler seeking the perfect summer escape. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.